Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want to present our group assignment that we need to build prototype based on topic UITM Booking System. So this is our front page of our system that we are create. First of all, if you do not have an account, just click register button and you just need to fill in your information and register your account. But if you already have an account, you just need to click login and just enter your username, which is your email, and your password, then click login. This is our home menu that have book class, class ability, approval, user manual, and setting. Before that, we see the user manual of this system. In this user manual, talk about this system. A booking system for classroom, lab, and exam hall reservation by guests, student, and staff. This system given guests, student, and staff access to book a class, lab, and exam hall with an additional information of classroom timetable. This system also to make guests, student, and staff easy to book classroom, lab, and exam hall through online system. This system is introduced to replace the less efficient manual of booking classroom process with a more dynamic, user-friendly, flexible, zero-cost, accurate, and fast. This system objective to facilitate students' class booking process to adapting the system to the current environment and to accelerate the UITM staff work in processing the class booking. So this is a step to book a class, which is step 1 to check the ability of classroom. Step 2 is book a class that fill in the name, student ID, faculty, program. Step 3 is check your approval detail. So, we start with check the class ability. So, this is class ability. First, you need to check the class ability. This is the calendar that you can check. Let's see for the lecture hall first.
You can choose the lecture hall button first to the class booking. For the lecture hall, it appears the hall and also it stated the hall which is still available on dates or not. In here, we can see Dewan Al-Biruni 1 and Dewan Al-Ghazali is still available. Meanwhile, Dewan Al-Biruni 2, Dewan Al-Fatani and Dewan Al-Batani is not available. If you does not want to choose the class for booking classes at the lecture hall, you can back to the previous page and you can choose the class button. Same goes to the lecture hall. The screen it appears the class which is still available on dates. For class block J102 and J103 is still available. Meanwhile, class block J101, J201, J202 and J203 is not available. And then you can choose the class that you need for booking classes. For example, J102. Then the screen will appear the field that you need the detail that you need to fill to confirmation for the booking class, which is name, student ID, faculty, program, semester, handphone number, email address, the room details, reason to use, time to use, date to use, name of reference, contact number of lecturer, and email of lecturer. Then, after you fill the form, you can confirmation back of the detail that you fill, which is your names, your student ID, your faculty, your program, your semester, your handphone number, your email address, your the room details, and your reason to use. For the reason to use, you can state the reason why you want to the booking class. For example, replacement class. And you also check the time to use, date to use, name of reference, contact number of lecturer, and email of lecturer. And for the name of reference, you can state the name of your lecturer. If you already confirm about your detail at this form, you can choose the submit button. After that, the screen it appears your request has been submitted. It means that your request for the booking class are already done.
Next, after your request has been submitted, you click here on Letter of Consent signed by HEA officer. After you click here, you can see your letter of consent signed that show your student details, class details, and reference details. After that, you click back here and click on Back to Main menu. Then you click Add Approval button. Now, you can see your booking has been approved. You click back here and you click Setting button. That show My Details, Book Class, Book History, and Logout.
First, we will go to the My Details menu. In My Details menu, you will see your profile pictures, status, student names, and also student ID. In My Details menu, you are able to edit your profile pictures and edit the other details. The second menu in the setting is Book Class. There are two elements in Book Class, which is current booking and previous booking. In the current booking, you will be see the room's details, dates, and reason to use. In this menu also, student can edit the booking details and cancel the booking. The last menu in the setting is Logout. Student can log out from this booking system by clicking this button, and it will notify the student that they are successfully logged out from the booking system. There are also login buttons where the student can log in back to the system. That's all from us. Thank you.